वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू द चैनल आर एकेडमी। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 7th इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का पेपर सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है। उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर वॉज बॉर्न इन डैश, तो इसका सही आंसर है कलकत्ता। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, हु रोट आवर नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन, the correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Third question, who was advisor in Akbar's court? The correct answer is Birbal. Fourth question, the poem Life is written by dash. The correct answer is option number B, Miss Esther Samuel. Fifth question, I am a type of beetle producing light from my body. The correct answer is glowworm. Sixth question, for how long did Gandhiji stay in South Africa? The correct answer is 21 years. Seventh question, what is the port of Natal called? The correct answer is option B, Durban. Eighth question, which subject was taught by Swaminathan's father to him? The correct answer is option A, maths. Ninth number, who was clever in the story The Fox and the Rabbit? The correct answer is option B, rabbit. Question number 10, who was pleased with Birbal's interpretation of dream? The correct answer is option B, Akbar. Now question number 2, read the paragraph and answer the question given below. In this you have to write answers by reading the paragraph carefully. The first question is, what did Akbar pick from the ground? Akbar bent and picked up a sharp stone. This is your answer for the first question. Okay, then what did Akbar draw on the ground? What did Akbar draw on the ground? The correct answer is Akbar draw a line on the ground. Okay, this is the second answer. How did Birbal answer Akbar's question? So in this question you have to read the paragraph carefully. The correct answer is, Birbal answered Akbar's question by picking up another stone and draw a second line below Akbar's. Akbar's line was clearly shorter than Birbal's line. Okay. The fourth question, find antonym of night from the given paragraph. So in this paragraph, what is the antonym of night? It is the correct answer is day. The correct answer is day. Okay, then give a suitable title to the story. The suitable title for the story is The Clever Birbal. The Clever Birbal. Question number 6, name the characters of the story. The characters of the story are Akbar, Birbal and other courtiers. Okay, then move on to question number 3, आंसर इन ब्रीफ। ये आंसर इन ब्रीफ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपके पास ऑलरेडी होंगे। यू कैन रेफर इट फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक। ओके, देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन 4 में मैच द फॉलोइंग है, मैच ए विथ बी। Drowsy, what is the meaning of drowsy? Drowsy means feeling sleepy. Okay, what is the meaning of gazed? Gazed का क्या आएगा? looked fixedly. looked fixedly. Patriotism. Patriotism, that means love for one's country. Desert. Desert means waterless land. क्या आएगा? waterless land. Strolling. Strolling means to walk in a relaxed way. Then question number 5. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. First question, her dash was firm. So the correct answer is decision. Second question, Ankit is not dash to fix his work. The correct answer is able. Question number 3, she looks very dash. She looks very thoughtful. Fourth question, it was a dash task. The correct answer is simple task. Fifth question, Vaibhav is very dash. The correct answer is determined. Sarita looks dash. The correct answer is beautiful. Okay. Then question number 6, fill in the blanks in the table given below. There is noun form, verb form and adjective form. First example is given for you. Ability, verb form will be enable and the adjective form will be able. Like that, determine का adjective form दिया गया है, आपको उसका noun form और verb form लिखना है. उसका noun form क्या होगा? determination. और verb form क्या होगा? determine. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, वर्ब फॉर्म दिया हुआ है रिमार्क्ड, तो उसका नाउन फॉर्म होगा रिमार्क और उसका एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म होगा रिमार्केबल. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म दिया गया है सिंपल, उसका नाउन फॉर्म होगा सिंप्लीफिकेशन और उसका वर्ब फॉर्म होगा सिंप्लीफाई. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, वर्ब फॉर्म दिया गया है थॉट, उसका नाउन फॉर्म होगा दो और उसका वर्ब एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म होगा थॉटफुल. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म दिया गया है हेजिटेंट, उसका नाउन फॉर्म होगा हेजिटेशन, उसका वर्ब फॉर्म होगा हेजिटेट. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, वर्ब फॉर्म दिया गया एक्सेप्ट, उसका नाउन फॉर्म होगा एक्सेप्टेशन और उसका एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म होगा एक्सेप्टेबल. ओके, फाइन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, गिव राइमिंग वर्ड्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग. सो सन का क्या हो जाएगा? रन, फन. लोन का क्या हो जाएगा? टोन, फोन. श्रिल का क्या हो जाएगा? चिल, फील. विड का क्या हो जाएगा? डीड, ब्रीड. लाइफ का वाइफ और नाइफ. थिंक का इंक एंड लिंक. Okay, then question 8, complete the poem. It is given in the textbook. What is life? Question mark. Life is a tree. Then in third line, that grows well, and the last line, with love and care. Okay. So now the last question, question number 9. Now question number 9, fill in the blanks with the help of puzzle. A place for ship to dock. The answer will be quay. Answer will be quay. Okay. Then second question, the opposite of polite. The answer will be rude. R-U-D-E, rude. Buy is to bought as dash is to thought. The answer is think. The answer is think. I have a sweet tooth. I am very dash of sweets. The answer will be fond. F-O-N-D. To begin. The meaning of to begin is to start. Okay. Then question number 10, explain the given poem in your own words. The poem is, my friend is not my friend anymore unless she is pretending. I cannot think what to do. It is a puzzle. The explanation is like this, listen it carefully. I think my friend is not my friend as we were. Now she is just like unreal. She do more formality and act as a kid. She shows the false appearance in any situation. She overreact to all at all. Due to this kind of behavior, I am so confused what to do. As she is very good friend of mine, so I can't let it be her in this situation. I have to guide her and support her as we were good friends. I am very confused how to deal with it. It looks like a puzzle for me. Okay, you can write in your own words also. Then question 10b, complete the following blanks. Complete the following blanks with the help of given option. First question, there is life on the planet Earth. The answer will be Earth. The answer will be Earth for the first question. Okay. Woolens is to winter as cotton is to summer. This is the answer for second question. When we are sick, we need to dash. We need to rest. This is the answer for third question. Dash help in keeping the surrounding pure. The answer is trees. The answer to the fourth question. Sing a dash of sixpence. The answer will be song for the fifth question. Then your last question is question number 11. Write an essay. There are two topics given: my favorite festival, my favorite poet or writer.